What's up everybody, it is Connor and I'm going to be doing a quick, just super quick video. I hope. They always end up longer than I expect them to be. But I want you to keep in mind that this was my first year doing any video, photo. I got my first camera, I hit that record button for the first time. You're gonna see some horrible looking footage, hopefully some really dope looking footage in this. Before that, I want to give you guys my 2019 resolution to create more and to get more comfortable talking in front of the camera. It's still weird for me, but now that I'm home, you know, this actually might help. No. That's true. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Just kidding. So we're gonna kickstart this video with some quick clips of my favorite moments of 2018. Let's start with a bunch of skydiving.
This is just the best thing in the fucking world.
So one of those places on that skydive in that desert looking area was over the Valley of Fire in Vegas. Got to explore Vegas, got to go to the Grand Canyon. There's a whole 13-minute vlog on that. Sorry about the length, it's a little too long. Was that the first one? That's the second one. First one was exploring Petty John's cave, splunking, which is just climbing through these really narrow spaces where your head is like squished between the rock. And I got to do a bunch of cool traveling, most of which was with my girlfriend Caitlin, but one of the biggest trips of the year was Costa Rica with my friend Alex and Cameron. They are brothers. Cameron lives in Costa Rica, so we just had to get our flight tickets down there, and then we were set. So we're gonna go through some of the highlights, maybe some of the footage you haven't seen from that, other travel videos, just another 25 seconds, 30 seconds on the clock for maybe the travel videos. Go. Now when I'm not traveling or jumping out of planes, I still like to do stuff. Whether I'm skateboarding, rock climbing, exploring Atlanta, just hanging out at home. There's a lot of that footage that I never did anything with. So let's just put 15 seconds on the clock for just things that I do when I'm just hanging out around.
Oh yes.
Alright guys, so that's 2018 in the fastest little nutshell I could try to put it in. I hope you guys have a great start to your new year. I hope you had happy holidays. And don't forget, please, it really means a lot to me if you just hit that like button, that big thumbs up you see down there. Hit that subscribe button, it's that red subscribe thing right there. There's a little bell that comes up when you hit that subscribe button. If you just click that, you'll get a quick little notification, nothing too obnoxious, that just says like, hey, I uploaded a new video. If you do that, I would really appreciate it. Leave a comment in the comment section below on what your creative goals of 2019 are, what your personal goals are. And I will see you guys in the next video. Well, see you later.